Today, we're going to walk you through the process of deploying a Docker image. There are two ways to begin this process. You can start fresh by clicking Create New App, or you can head to the Apps section in the sidebar and then select New App. In the app customization phase, provide a unique name for your app to keep things well organized. Next, associate your app with the organization that best aligns with your project's goals. Now, select Image Deployment. If your Docker image is public, you can simply provide its name. For example, I'm using a public Docker image, Nginx. However, if your image is private, you'll need to add your secrets. Before deploying, you have the opportunity to fine-tune the deployment settings. You can modify the routing policy, such as choosing between latency or geolocation-based routing. And also editing the internal and external ports to align with your source code. For this application, both internal and external ports are 80. You can also add any necessary environmental variables at this stage. And that's not all, you have the opportunity to configure more advanced settings. Attach volume. Here you can attach a volume based on your application. It's often a better choice than persisting data within your containers. Replica. This lets you specify the number of replicas, indicating how many pods your app should be maintaining at any given time. It's a helpful tool for managing high demand and keeping your app responsive. Request requirement. This is about defining the minimum amount of resources your containers need to work efficiently. Limit requirement. This setting defines the maximum amount of resources that the container can consume. It's crucial for maintaining system stability and preventing resource exhaustion. Remember, you can leave these fields empty if you're not sure, and the platform will use default values. Once you've configured all these settings to your satisfaction, you're ready to deploy your app. Click Deploy Image, and watch as your app starts deploying. Your app is now in the process of deploying in the default location. The app has been successfully deployed and is now ready to use.